Hey guys, it has been a while. As you know, I've been looking at those brand new Prados, and today I actually bought myself a new car. But no, it's not a Prado. It's an N80 Hilux. Of course, I needed to stick with the Hilux name, and what better platform to move from the N70 onto N80. There's no sight of the N90 coming anytime soon, so this guy is what I'm going to be sticking with for a little while. As you know, I love modifying my cars, so this will be no different. I'm going to get ripped straight into it. I'm going to be ripping off that canopy that's on there. I'm going to be chucking on a T-rax tub rack. Got the Clevershade Awning going to be going on. Of course, I got some wheels and tires coming and a lift kit. Plus, there's going to be a whole bunch of new spicy goodness coming out. So join me on the journey. This is going to be an awesome little trip, and I want you guys to come along with me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and let's get stuck straight into it. So here it is, guys, the brand new N80 Hilux. Well, not brand new, it's actually 2018. As you can see, it's already got the canopy, the roof bars, the roof rack, and just wait till you see what's inside the actual tub. It's not that exciting right now, but I'm going to pull it all out and get stuck into it. First things first, we're going to be going down to Clevershade. In the back, it's already got the Titan drawer system, plus it's got some special custom infills, but that's all coming out. And check that out, there's a water tank in there, and it's already powered. Up on top, we've got the Rhino roof bars, they're coming straight off, and the Rhino platform that's on the back of the canopy, which I've already said, the canopy's coming off. And we've got the side steps, factory plastic side steps. They don't protect anything. The interior is so much more up to date, it's not even funny. All the control system, steering wheel, just everything in general in the N80 is absolutely amazing. What I don't like is this, the head unit. It absolutely sucks, it does nothing. The call quality is rubbish. It's got a CD player. What am I going to use that for? And yeah, doesn't even do proper mapping on it. It's got some micro SD. I think that's for the map card. But yeah, absolutely rubbish. I'm going to be ripping this out. Going to get the brand new EC Off-Road head unit. I'm also going to do an EC Off-Road steering wheel of some sort, whether it's the carbon or the sports steering wheel, not sure yet. Yeah, heaps of modifications happening. There is also rubbish seat covers in here. I'm pretty sure they're just like your super cheap auto ones, but they're coming out. Super fit seat covers obviously are going to go in, and yeah, there's a bunch of other modifications. So time to hit the road, eh? So I just got the neighbours to give me a hand. I've just gotten home, and roof bars are off, and yeah, canopy's off. Stage one is complete. Bit of a late night job, but getting the side steps off. Already done one side. Heaps nicer. Alright guys, yesterday was a big day. It was a big drive from Newcastle back home, and didn't waste any time. Got ripped straight into it. Had my neighbours help me out. They lifted off the canopy with me. It was looking like it was going to be a really hard job, and then all of a sudden the adhesive just let go, and we're able to take the canopy off. And then last night, also got stuck into the side steps, just ripped them off, give myself a little bit more clearance, and we all know that they just do nothing. They're good for the kids, but that's about it. And now, stopping in at Clevershade, they got another business on the side called T-rax. So they actually make tub racks. It's an extrusion-based tub rack, so the whole thing is extrusion, which is amazing. It means that you can mount anything anywhere on it, and it's going to look great. And the best thing about having this new tub rack means that I'm going to be able to do my 270 awning on the back instead of the 180 awning on the side. And Andy, being a rack business as well, he's also got me a new special roof rack for the N80. I've taken off the crossbars that were the Rhino rack ones, and we've got the front runner roof rack. So I'm keen to see that roof rack. Haven't actually seen one on a car before, so really keen to see how that goes. So I've made it down to Clevershade. I got Andy here. How are you, Andy?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good. So what are we doing today?
I think we just ordered you amazing new Slimline 2 front runner rack.
Front runner, awesome.
It's coming tomorrow morning.
Awesome. What else are we doing on the roof rack?
So there's a couple of things going on here, and we're gonna make a kit for these racks for the ultralight awning, and we're also gonna make a kit for the deluxe awning.
Yeah, cool.
So we're gonna figure it out how we do it with combination with T-rax tub rack at the back.
Cool. So t-rax tub rack. That's this guy here. So talk me through what's the go with that.
So as you know, everything is billet aluminium extruded, so we have no plastic connector or no caster connector, so they're all 6061P6 aluminium, and everything anodized black. It's very strong, and it also looks really nice. It almost looks like a factory option. And what we're going to do with yours is we're going to try to integrate that as factory as possible, and then have an awning on top.
Awesome.
We might change up the setup later on.
So this is a extrusion-based system. So the whole thing's pretty much extrusion, which means we can attach whatever we want to it. Hey, Andy?
Yes.
Yep. Correct. So we can do like a box on the side, we can do power system, we can do compressor, whatever we want, really.
Limited by your imagination.
That's right. So I've got a pretty big imagination, and I reckon we'll get ripped into it. Hey?
Cool.
Let's do it.
Looking forward to it.
After dropping the car off down to Clevershade, we realised that the tub rack was actually ready to go on first. So headed down to t-rax HQ, get that fitted up. I wasn't able to film the assembly side of things. Here's a part of the final installation though. Back down at Clevershade HQs, N80's back in here. Got the tub rack all sorted, that's on. Now going to move on to roof rack. Got a front runner roof rack. Guys are going to give me a hand, get it all sorted, put it on today. So we got Mitch in the background, he's just drilling some holes in my roof. It did have a track on it, a rail system. We pulled them off, we've had to put some rivets in, silicon it up, get it all sorted. And now Andy's going to be working on the actual tub rack and fitting my new awning to it. So I got an awning and a nice new product from t-rax. Now that's a first, 4.5 metre Clevershade 270 awning right there on the back of the tub rack. It's massive. Just wait till you see this thing open.
And I always do it big because I can. Do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. And I always do it big because I can. Since a youngin' I've been on it. Yeah. Working till the night until the morning. Yeah.
Righto guys, so that's it. There it is, what do you reckon? The N80 has had its first stage 100% complete. I've said first and seconds and third stage, but really, canopy's gone, draw system's gone, got the new t-rax tub rack on, got the new Clevershade 270 awning, that's their deluxe, and it's got the front runner roof rack with a light bar. Still need to wire up the light bar, but that's stage one complete in my eyes. Thanks heaps for watching guys. Please make sure that you subscribe, we've got a heap more content coming. Still got to do the lift, the wheels, the tyres, I need to do the new head unit, I need to do the steering wheel, there's a heap to come. Battery system, compressor, yeah, a lot to come. Massive shout out and thanks to the guys at t-rax, guys at Clevershade, guys at everywhere that's helped with this one. You guys have been amazing. Front runner. Yeah, you guys want to see more of this? Stay tuned. Until then, see you guys next time.